everybody, I'm back, and today we're gonna be making a video of this. Okay, so today, obviously I got Bryson. Jump, Bryson, yay! Wait, what the heck is wrong with his feet? What the heck? In his arm? Ah, run away!
Hi, people.
Yeah, I also have my cousin here with me. Ah! Remember to like and subscribe, comment if you did that, and okay. So right now I'm gonna go up this spot. Like and subscribe to Jessica McKean, and subscribe to Tara Booten if you can even find it. It's just my cousin. It's his mom's name. We technically have our mom's name except for me. Up. Wait, why did you do that? Holy. Bye-bye. Oh my god.
He's going to space, you guys.
Yep, I went to space. No, I didn't. I ended up dying. Well, that sucks. Wah! Oh!
Guys, I promise you guys we do not
Ah! There's a floating Bobby. I mean, body, not Bobby. Bryson's trying to drown me. Oh my god. Oh. Jump up, jump up. I'm up. I'm up. Ah. Ugh. Run, run. Small Noob 11. Wow, what a classic name. Wah! Hey, feet. If you guys want to add me on Jacob Clough 2009. If you want to ask Bryson, if you want to add Bryson McKean YT for YouTube. Because you, a tube. I'm just kidding. You're not a tube. At least that's what that's at least what I think.
But you guys are.
No, they're not.
You're on YouTube.
You guys aren't pipes. Don't listen to my cousin. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Bye, everybody. Like and subscribe to Jacob Clough 2009 on YouTube. And subscribe to Jessica McKean. That's it for the video today. Have a good night. Well, at least for me, have a good night.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.